On dividing a certain number by 5, 7, and 8 successively, the remainders are 2, 3, and 4 respectively. What would be the remainder if the order of the division is reversed? Now, whenever we want to find out this certain number which is successively divided and the remainders are given respectively, first of all, arrange the numbers like this. So the divisors in one line, 5, 7, 8 in this case. Below them, write down the respective remainders. So over here you will have 2, 3, and 4. Now you have to do cross multiplication, okay, and vertical addition. So 4 sevens are 28 plus 3, we have 31. Now, by using this number, again, we do the same thing, cross multiplication, 31 into 5 plus 2. So we have here 155 plus 2, that is 157. So now we know that the number was 157. Now we want the remainders if the order of division is reversed. So that means first we have to divide by 8. Okay, so let's do this. 157 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8. So we have 7 remainder. This 7 comes down. So we have 77. 8 nines are 72. So 77 minus 72, we have the remainder 5. Now, as we are successively dividing, now we divide the quotient of this division by the next number, that is 7. So 19 will divide it by 7. So 7 twos are 14. So 19 minus 14, you again have the remainder as 5. Now we divide this quotient 2 by the next divisor, that is 5. So 2 divided by 5. So 5 into 0 is 0. So the remainder is 2. So now the remainders are, we can say 5, 5,